Vicky Sheree for Just Nailed It. It is Mask Monday. I'm filming this on Sunday night because I'm doing it's called Wish Upon a Star Night Mask. Wish on a Star Night Repair Mask. So it's this night repair, so I'm doing this at nighttime. So I'm going to shake this down. I need a drink. I'm parched. Yes, I'm drinking my pop. This is like the metallic one that my video got corrupted. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm so excited to show you because it is so cool looking. So cool looking. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because it is so super cool. Ta-da! I think these are dad and sister. It is cold, but it is so nicely refreshing. So nicely refreshing. See the shooting stars? Holy cow, Batman, holy cow. I think it's nice. I think it is super cool. I'm rubbing it in on my dry hands. So this is before bedtime. We're gonna do this and says leave it on 10 to 15. Where's my clock? Okay, it's almost 9. So it's a little while before bedtime. I've had a really trying day. I got a baker's cyst behind my left knee, or in my left knee, or whatever, and it has been trying. Excuse me, I've had a really rough day with it between that and my back. Ooh, buddy. It has been giving me, between the two of them, it's really been a day. It has really been a day. But these masks, I'm sorry, got them at Walmart. Sorry, very sorry. Got these at Walmart, $3.18 out the door. I've not found an eye mask, except at Walmart. Let's still check the Dollar Tree. Face masks, hand masks, foot masks, Dollar Tree. Love a hand mask. Love a hand mask. Love finding them. I've had one gal tell me with the foot mask, your feet are supposed to peel a couple days later. My feet are extremely dry. But I did not have, shouldn't frown like that, I did not have my feet peel. So maybe I'm missing something. Maybe they're so dry that they didn't peel. Maybe they're too dry to peel. I don't know. Yeah, maybe they're too dry to peel. I don't know. These are made, this mess is made with diamond powder, amino acids, hydraulic acid, and centella. Where that is. Metallic eye mask. But I think this one is really super cool. The design, I think, is really super cool. But I wanted you to see it. I think everybody should run to Walmart, go get themselves one of these, and do it. Just one time. Spend the $3 to $3.18. If I had $3.18 to send to everybody, I would do it, but I don't. But I think they're super cool looking. This and the Lucky one I did a couple weeks ago. A couple weeks it was. But I thought it was super cool. I think it was called Lucky. Once I had the the clover on it. I like it, jeez. I thought it was super cool. I think my son's home, heard the alarm. But I think this is super cool to do. 10-15 minutes. Give you some nighttime repair. Maybe you're supposed to do it in the morning after. Maybe, I don't know, because on the directions it didn't say. With it saying night repair. I don't know, it didn't say. That's why I read it real well. Unfold and apply the eye mask on a clean, dry skin. Smooth and adjust the mask around the eye area. Leave it on 10 to 15 minutes. Remove and gently massage the area. Oh, massage it any remaining serum. See, it doesn't say anything about what time of day to do it, whether if it says at night or in the morning. So I don't know. Night repair. So I did it at night. I don't know. So we're like 6.5 minutes. Ooh, buddy. Vegan friendly, it says. Vegan friendly. Metallic star print eye sheet. So it's got an area, a squared area here where there's a bunch of free froms. So that's kind of interesting if you want to sit and read that. I'm not going to. Slew of ingredients starting with aqua. By now, maybe, hopefully, I've put up started my 1500 giveaway. So if you haven't already, please check that out. Sorry that it's depending on my sponsors by the time. I don't know if I'm going to have international people or not. I know it's going to be open to USA, of course. I do not know if international people are going to be included. I don't know. If you're not, I'm greatly sorry. Greatly, greatly sorry. I contacted 10 sponsors. Don't know if they're going to be responding. So far I've gotten one. Tammy's Nail Technique. She is going to jump on the train. She will be a sponsor. Well, Liv including her. She greatly, graciously volunteered. I did not have to ask her, so there was 11 including her. So I contacted 10 companies. And we will see how they respond over time. We hope that they graciously respond over time. I will let you know through other videos who jumps on the bandwagon. But for now, I'm going to pause, let the rest of the time lapse, and we will return. Alright, we are back. We are time to take our masky off. Woo, woo. Kind of dried up after with my fans going, but we're still gonna take what's left of our serum. Be careful around your eyes rubbing the serum in. And rub it around your eyes. Night repair, it says. So head over to Walmart. Get your eye mask. Your Cosmo. This is some Cosmic Metallic. The other one was Cosmic. This is a metallic eye mask. Probably too much glare to see it. Let me shut this one off. There we go. Super cute, as you could see. Super, super cute. Works really, really well. You'll really enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my cute, adorable mask. Show it to you one more time. Really super cute. Fold it up. All over. Oh, your face feels good. Oh boy. Oh boy. We'll just leave it there. So this is the end of our video. Leave a comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you get all notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. We'll see you next time. Have a blessed day and thank you.